What if the computer of the future didn't just calculate faster, but thought in an entirely different way? From solving impossible equations to breaking modern encryption, quantum computing is poised to transform everything. From medicine to finance to space exploration. But what is quantum computing, and why does it matter right now? Welcome to Future Tense, where we explore the science, tech, and ideas shaping what comes next. Let's start simple. Your regular computer, like the one you're using now, processes information using bits. A bit is either a 0 or a 1. Everything, text, images, video, is built using billions of these binary bits. But a quantum computer, it uses qubits, short for quantum bits. These are not just zeros and ones. Thanks to a strange quantum property called superposition, a qubit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. It's like flipping a coin, but keeping it spinning in mid-air. This allows quantum computers to explore multiple solutions simultaneously, unlike classical computers that go one step at a time. And it doesn't stop there. Quantum computers also use something called entanglement, where qubits become in such a way that the state of one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. This allows incredibly complex calculations to be done at mind-blowing speeds. For example, simulating molecular structures to create better drugs, optimizing global logistics routes, or potentially breaking encryption that protects our bank accounts and data. So, where are we now in 2025? Companies like IBM, Google, and IonQ are racing to build more stable and powerful quantum machines. In 2019, Google claimed quantum supremacy, meaning their quantum processor solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take classical supercomputers 10,000 years. While we're not replacing your laptop anytime soon, hybrid systems are already being tested in finance, materials science, and energy. And with governments investing billions, the race to usable, reliable quantum computing is accelerating. So what does this mean for you and me? In the coming years, quantum computers might help find cures for diseases faster, predict weather and climate more accurate, make batteries more efficient, and even secure, or threaten digital privacy. Understanding this tech now means we're not left behind later, because the quantum future isn't far off. It's unfolding right now. If this glimpse into the quantum world sparked your curiosity, hit that like button and subscribe to Future Tense. We explore the edge of tomorrow, from quantum leaps to robot revolutions. What should we break down next? Drop your ideas in the comments. See you in the future.